Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Charles for those that are new, and for my old subscribers, thank you for coming back. Okay, I really appreciate you guys support, your comments, your like. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I create this look, and most especially how you can apply your eyeshadow like a pro, you guys. Yes, you guys, how you can apply your eyeshadow like a pro. All right, for those that are watching, you haven't subscribed, I focus on makeup, fashion and lifestyle. I also do vlogs. If that is the kind of content you are interested in, please make sure to subscribe. And when you subscribe, please hit on that notification bell. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Alright guys. So guys, having said that, let's just get into the video. So guys, my face is moisturized. I'll just go ahead and apply my primer. I'll just go ahead and apply my face primer from Tractor. A little of this primer goes a long way, you guys. And for foundation, you guys, I'm using the MAC Studio Finish. Yes, okay. The MAC Studio Fizz Fluid Foundation. It has an SPF 15. Alright. So I'm just going to apply to my beauty sponge. And with this, I'm going to spread across my face. Like you guys, I'm really sorry about my last upload. Like the video where the video was all over the place. I don't know why. I'm even filming right now without my mic. I'm using the mic on the camera to film this video right now. Like I was so surprised. I was trying to do a voiceover. I couldn't. I don't know why. The thing was everything was just messed up. I'm really sorry guys. I'm sorry. For concealer, I am using the Flawless collection from Ruby Rose. And for contour, I'm using the Make B contour and concealer stick. And for my eyebrow, I'm using the Ruby Rose eyebrow powder. And I'm going to be using this shade. And I'm going to use the Flawless collection concealer to clean my eyebrow. And I'm going to blend with my beauty sponge. And I'm going to dust a little bit of banana setting powder to my eyeshadow crease. Now let's move on to the eyeshadow. Eyeshadows, you guys, there are different types of eyeshadow. All right, there are different types of eyeshadow. There are ones for your crease and there are ones for your eyelid. All right, so for your crease you have to use the matte eyeshadows. Like these eyeshadows, you guys, is the Brilliant You palette from Ruby Rose. It only has the shimmer shades and the matte shades. For your crease you have to use the matte eyeshadow, which are these are matte eyeshadows. There are no shine to them. Like, let me just put this on my ends. Look at the matte eyeshadow. It has no shine, you guys. Like, it has no shine. You can see it has no shine. While for the shimmer shade, that one has a little bit of shine. You see the difference, you guys? This one has no shine. This is the matte eyeshadow, and this one has a this one there is shine on this one, which is the shimmer shade. In this palette I'm going to be using three shades. All right, I'm using two matte eyeshadows and one shimmer. All right, for my matte eyeshadow I'm using these two shades here. All right, these two shades, and for my shimmer I will be using this shade. There are different brush for it. For the matte eyeshadow, which is these two shades here, I'm using a fluffy brush because I'm going to apply it to my crease area. And for the shimmer shade, you guys, I'll be using my eyeshadow brush because I'm going to apply this to my eyelid. So when you are applying your matte eyeshadow, you have to pack to give it that thick and dark look. Then gently I'm going to spread across my crease. So I'm going to apply the shimmer shade now, which is this one, and I'm using my eyeshadow brush, and I'm gently going to pack it on my eyelid. I don't know if you can see, you guys. This eye shadow that is on my eyelid right now is kind of different from the one on my crease. This one has a shine to it, and this one has no shine. This is the matte, and this is the shimmer shade. And I'm using the banana setting powder to set my face. And for my full face, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me face powder. I'm using the Fit Me blush. And to my lip, I am using the soft lip liner from Ruby Rose. And I'm using the Ruby Rose two ways lipstick. I'm using the shade 283. My waterline, I'm going to apply the Zaron gel liner. And I'm going to apply eye mascara to my lower lash line. And I'm going to apply a little bit of clear gloss to my lip. This does magic, you guys. She does the magic, you guys. A clear gloss does the magic. She does it better. A clear gloss, you guys. Do not underestimate the power of a clear gloss, you guys. Like, face is pumping, skin is pumping. Oh, my setting spray. I'm using the Perfect Glow setting spray from Ruby Rose. So you guys, this will be all to this video. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And please guys, I really apologize for my last video. The video was all over the place, you guys. Again, I'm saying sorry. Alright guys, this will be all to this video. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if there is any look you want me to create for you guys, kindly leave it on the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye guys.